Hi, Boss Alan!
Thank you for being an incredible mentor. We'll surely miss you. We wish you all the best and see you around. From your MTS and Lazaro training team.
Hello, Boss A. This is Jeriel from your OVCC team.
Hi, yeah, and boss Adrian here from Cricket Training, and of course now here in OVCC.
Hi, Boss A. I'm Carlene, former RCO, supporting cricket and prepaid, and now I'm part of the OVCC team.
Hi, boss. I am Kit, and I am the newest OVCC team member.
We would like to thank you for your leadership
And for your support.
And inspiration.
Wishing you success
And
happiness
in your
And your
next
next
journey.
Bye!
Hi, Boss Alan. Thank you for everything. Always take care and we'll miss you.
Hi, Boss A. Thank you so much for all the things that you've done. We will miss you. Best of luck!
Hi, Boss Alan. Can't thank you enough for all of the things that you've done. God bless.
Hi, Boss A. Sorry na po, wala akong Zoll lines sa message na to. Mahirap ilagay yung mga Zoll lines. But, Boss A, I wanna say thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that you did for us, for all of the learnings, for all the inspiration, and then, and hope that you always take care, Boss A. And sana po hindi mo kami makalimutan. Mag-iingat ka po lagi. See you around, Boss A. And we love you po. Bye po.
Hi, Boss A. We will definitely miss you. Thank you so much for everything that you did for the team. Thank you for making things happen for everybody. We will miss you. We wish you nothing but the best and good health and more success in the future. Mag-ingat ka palagi, Boss A. Marami pong salamat sa lahat. See you soon.
Hi, boss. So, thank you for the opportunity to work with you. Best of luck and ingat po.
Boss Alan, I want to thank you po for the opportunity to work under your leadership. And I definitely learned a lot. And at the same time, I am always grateful with the undying support and guidance you provided, not only to me, but for my team, Makati G5. And tatandaan ko po lahat ng feedback and best practices you provided, not only towards work, but also personal life. And I really appreciate small talks with you, Boss Alan. And that is something I will miss, especially listening to your life stories, your inspirational stories. Even if I heard it many times, it feels like gusto ko pa rin po siyang marinig lagi. So, I wish you all the happiness in the world, Boss Alan. Again, from your Adobo Girl, thank you so much po.
Hi, Boss Alan. Thank you so much, even for the very short time that we have been together. I will always treasure those moments where you try to impart us with your knowledge, especially the ones that you said you'd wish you'd had learned when you were younger. Thank you so much for everything you have taught us, and I wish you good luck on your new journey. Thank you.
Hi, Boss Alan. Thank you for everything that you did for us. God bless. Keep safe. Bye.
Hi, Boss A. Thank you for everything that you have done to all AT&T programs, and good luck to everything that you will be doing in the future.
Hi, Boss Alan. I just want to say thank you for all of the good things that you've done for our cluster, especially for me, my previous teammates, and also for my partner, which is Lee. We truly appreciate all of the efforts po that you've put in together with our other cluster leads. And I can say that even up until now po, na-apply ko yung mga things na natutunan ko from you and from everyone from our cluster. Thank you so much again, Boss Alan, and we hope that you'll have good health as always and stay happy. Thank you po.
Hi, Boss Alan. Thank you. God bless and stay safe.
Hey,
Hello, Boss Alan. We are very grateful for everything that you did for the Alabang 2 training team.
And for the whole training organization,
thank you and we love you!
Hi boss, I want to keep this message short and simple. Thank you so much for everything you do for me and for the team. And I'm hoping for you to get well soon. And welcome to the outside world ka na. But we will miss you and we always love you.
Hi boss, there's nothing I can wish for you because I feel like, again, sabihin naman, nandun na sa'yo na lahat talaga. So what I can say is good health, always take care of yourself, and stay pogi, stay fresh.
Hi, Boss Alan! Thank you for the opportunities that you have given to us and to the team. And we are wishing you all the best in your next chapter. See you on Saturday!
Hi, boss. First of all, thank you so much for everything that you've done for me. Not only me, but also for my team. Thank you for the guidance, the support, and the coaching sessions when we needed it the most. I know your leadership is unconventional, but that's what made us stronger. I hope you all the best in life. Peace, love, joy, happiness, and better health, of course. I will miss you, boss, and we will miss Cluster Alan. On behalf of my G5 team, thank you so much, boss. We love you.
Hi, Boss Alan. Firstly po, thank you for all the support and the guidance that you gave me since PRting uhugin pa lang ako up until now that I'm leading my own team. I owe it all to you. The way that you molded me since day one. We will make you proud. We will still continue the legacy that you gave us and still continue to guide the new PRTs and the new trainers that we have now. Thank you, boss.
Hi, boss. Thank you sincerely for all the guidance and support you've given us in building our skills. So we're truly grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow under your leadership. Wishing you a success and fulfillment as you embark on your next journey. Thank you.
Hi, Boss A. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong. Thank you po sa lahat ng pangaral. Thank you sa lahat ng aral na binigay niyo sa akin. I'm genuinely happy and thankful to be part of Cluster Alan. Saan man po kayo pumunta, sana maging happy kayo, maging healthy. One more wish, wishing that you'll find the right one or the one. Enjoy the night, boss. Thank you po.
Hi, Boss Alan. First, thank you sa lahat ng learnings. Madami kami natutunan sa'yo. Lalo na ako, we've had multiple coaching sessions. I know na those were tough conversations, pero I gained a lot of knowledge. So, wherever, this journey will take you, I know mas marami kang matutulungan because that's your ultimate goal palagi. Lagi mong sinasabi yan. You want to be able to help, not just us, but, our families as well. Again, thanks so much, Boss Alan. You take care and you have a blessed, journey.
Hi, Boss A. I just want to say thank you for being a great leader to us for the ACAA, LNP, and OVCC. It's so sad that you have to leave, but I'm so grateful for experiencing your leadership and for always championing your people. Kasi yan naman talaga ang forte ng leadership mo, how you champion the people that you handle. And I'm so grateful that I experienced that. So hopefully we'll still see you around, and please always take care of your health.
Boss A, thank you so much for the last 6 years. Thank you for always taking care of your team down to your trainers. Always stay safe, always stay healthy, and I hope na you find the person na magpapasaya sa'yo really, really soon. We'll definitely miss you. Keep in touch. Thank you, boss.
Hello, boss. Welcome to the outside world. Magiging ex-con ka na rin. So, I just wanna say thank you ulit for everything from day 1 in training in Alabang 2 until my last day in Alawan. I would forever cherish the friendship and also the relationship that we have built from training. So, I am looking forward for your healthy lifestyle. Sana gumaling na yung kailangan mong ipagamot soon. See you around, boss, and take care of yourself.
Hey boss, long time no see. When I was asked to also share a video for your send-off, I couldn't think of what to say kasi halos lahat naman nasabi ko na before we parted ways. But I am just really excited for you because finally you'll have your freedom, right? And you'll get to focus on what really matters, which is your health. So I'm so excited for you and enjoy!
Hi boss! Thank you so much for all the support and the opportunities that you have opened for me. I'm forever grateful. Thank you for always caring for us. Now it's time for you naman to care for yourself. I genuinely wish you all the best in life, in love, and sa health mo. So focus ka muna dyan sa health mo. We're just here for you. We love you. Let us know kung ano mang help ang needed mo. Thank you, and I'm forever grateful. See you, boss. We love you. Bye-bye.
To my boss, my mentor, my ninong, and my friend, thank you for everything, for all of the conversations, whether it was tough or easy, because it helped me grow not just as a leader, but as a person. We want you to know that whatever happens next and whatever you choose to take on, know that in all of the ways that you can imagine, we will be here for you to support you. Ride or die.
Hi Alan, we've known each other just for a few months, but it's enough for me to know and understand how amazing you are as a person and how great you are as a leader. You always put others in front and you always think about what's good for the team. I wish you the very best in your journey to better health, and I wish you lots of love and happiness, and take care. May you always find joy in what you do, and if you get bored, you can always reach out to us. Take care.
Well, talagang hindi ka na magpapapigil. Pero dahil it is about your health, I am completely supportive, and I completely understand why you are taking a step back from doing something that I know you love. Ang hindi ko maintindihan ay, when I was scrolling through Facebook, I think the other week, ay ito ang nakita ko. Ching, ching. Yes, screenshot ko po talaga. Kasi naisip ko na, ay siguro, hihingan ako ng goodbye message ng team. So, ilalagay ko to. But really, I hope that you take the time in the coming months, Alan, to really invest in resetting your health. I think there's a lot that you could do in life, not just, for concentrics eventually, but a lot that you could achieve. But, I know, believe me, that health is priority, especially as we're getting older. So, please, have a great rest and really focus on yourself and getting back to tip-top shape and reinvesting in your own peace and And so when you're ready and you're stronger and you're healthy, then you can give us a call and ibabalik kita sa AT&T. Kahit ano ba yun, kahit may ibang opening sa iba, sa AT&T kita ilalagay. Just kidding. Anyways, thank you, Alan, for everything. If you ever open a business, call me up and I'll make an investment, a cooking business. But best of luck, Alan, and thank you so much for everything that you have poured into your life in Concentrics and how you have really been instrumental in shaping the history of AT&T. Nag-call na daw ako. Thank you so much. Good luck. I'll see you soon. I'll see you around.
Hi Lan! Ito na, final na. First of all, thank you for the friendship. I always tell you that it's always a great thing to have somebody that you can trust in the office, who eventually have turned into a friend and into family. I wish na sana, you really take good care of your health. Tandaan mo yung pact natin nila Deb, 1 year. But more importantly, I will always treasure the friendship that we have, especially the fun times at work. But I know there's really no goodbye. Please really take the time to take good care of your health. Remember what I always tell you. And more importantly, mamimiss ko ang mga tawanan natin sa office. Sabi ko sa'yo, parang it doesn't seem so real, but we're almost there. And just really talking about nonsense, funny stuff, and of course, like heart-to-heart stuff as well as life. Good luck. I wish you all the best. And always stay in touch. Love you so much. Bye-bye.
Hey friend, I heard that you are leaving your comfort zone. I'm very happy to hear the news. I know it's not the easiest decision to make, friend, because I've been there, I've done that. So far, I don't regret anything. I'm very grateful, of course, for Concentrics, Converges, for all the things that I have learned, knowledge that I have learned from my experience. I've been there, kayang-kaya yan, friend. Ikaw pa ba? Idol kita. Your team will certainly miss you, but I'm sure you have set them up for success. Yun lang. I hope to see you really soon. Ingat lagi, alagaan ang sarili. Continue taking pictures using your infamous sando na punit-punit. As I enjoy looking at those. Maraming salamat for the friendship. You know that you can reach out to me anytime because I know I can do the same too. Thank you so much for everything. Congratulations once again. Babush!
Hey Alan, I just wanted to let you know that I really appreciate you and our friendship, and I am very happy that you finally made the decision to choose yourself. And I pray for the best health for you, and that the next chapter of your life will be amazing and more beautiful. Keep in touch. Bye!
Boss A, thank you sa lahat. Love you.
Hey Boss A, May here. So that's almost been 2 years since we've last worked together, but I would just like you to know how much of an impact you have had on me in my career. You were not just a senior training manager, you were a mentor who led with clarity, strength, and heart. And I truly admire you for everything that you do. I will always treasure the moments that I've had with you and the team. Good luck on your endeavors, and I hope to see you soon again and work with you. Bye!
Mr. Alan, I was actually thinking of what to wear during my speech for you, and I actually did choose this because I have one of these, and you have 20 of these Lacoste shirts of different colors. Congratulations on your decision to move on to a new chapter. I really appreciate working with you and learning from your approach in training and leadership. You left a strong legacy in Concentrics, and I'm confident that great things are ahead of you. Most importantly, thank you for the friendship. You were always been there through the thick and thin, short stories, good or bad, and a true friend, Mr. Alan. Thank you, and they will miss what you bring to the table for the entire team.
Hello, Boss A. I miss you.
Hindi ko na-expect na gagawa ako ng gantong video kasi akala ko forever ka na sa concentrics. maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga itinulong mo sa amin before. I know it's been a couple of years na, pero hanggang ngayon, dala ko pa rin lahat ng mga tinulong mo sa akin. Until now, nagagamit ko pa rin yung lahat. Especially yung attitude, no, yung behavior ko towards work. Yun, and alam mo namang naging malaking part na din ng growth ko, figuratively. Kahit di naman tayo lagi nagkita, or never nga tayo nakita actually after nung nag-resign ako, pero alam mo naman nabaon ko lahat ng mga tinuro mo, and if there comes a time na makapag-meet na at magtagpo-tagpo na yung schedule natin, you know that wala namang magbabago. And yun, na-miss ko din yung bonding natin actually. Ibang-iba ka rin kasi talaga as a friend other than just being a boss. So yun, huwag ka magbabago, stay mayabang, #normala. I wish you the best, Boss Alan. I-refer mo na lang kanina. But honestly, I know that you will always be successful naman kahit saan ka pumunta. And nandito lang naman kami palagi for you. Even if we don't get to talk every time, you know that our loyalty stays with you. We'll miss you, boss. Ingat.
Hi, Boss Alan. #grateful, #normalan. Ako po ito si Ben na walang malay, si Ben na walang ginawa kundi maging anak sa labas. Pero ba't parang kasalanan ko? Ba't kasalanan ko? We shared so many good memories worth treasuring, and you taught me discipline, strong character, and how to enjoy life despite life's endless challenges. And thank you. Please know that I'm just always one call away.
Ay, all good things must come to an end, sabi nga nila, di ba? Kawawa naman yung AT&T. Mawawala ng Alan De Leon. Pero okay na yun. Ang daming taon na yung binigay mo sa kanila. Ano muna, sarili mo na muna, di ba? Ay, nako. Ano mo, meron akong sinulat na short poem para sa'yo. Title nito, Tough Love. Ito siya. Punyeta! Oh my God, ganda, di ba? Oh, welcome to, ano ka na, life after concentrics. Balik ka na lang dito. Bisitahin mo ako dito. Diba? Kung ano man desisyon mo. Good luck sa next chapter ng buhay. Okay. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Boss Alan. So, surprise. I heard the news. So, I was very shocked. But, you know, regardless of the reason, I still want to say thank you so much, of course, for the fun memories that we had when we were still working together. For sure, I won't be here in this position in my career if it weren't for you. So I'm just really grateful that I've worked with you, and hopefully in the future we still get to work. You know, crossing my fingers. I'm sorry if it didn't materialize when you were, you know, when you reached out to me back then. But I just wish you the best in your future endeavors, and good luck talaga. You always take care, and see you around, boss.
Hi, Boss Alan. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you po. Looking back sa journey ko, I can honestly say that a big part of who I am today, both professionally and personally, is because of you. Hindi mo lang ako minanage, nag-invest ka sa akin, pinush mo ako mag-grow, sinuportahan mo ko, at nagtiwala ka sa akin. What really stuck with me is how you led by example, the way you handled pressure, made decisions with integrity, and genuinely cared about people. Malaki impact ng mga yun sa akin. Hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko yung mga lesson na yun at tinatry ko i-apply sa trabaho ko. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagtiwala sa akin, sa pasensya mo, and for helping shape the person I've become. I'm really grateful for your guidance, and thank you for the impact you've had on my life.
This is my thank you message for you, Boss Alan. Thank you for allowing me to share my capabilities and trusting me to navigate through my strength. You gave me space to grow, and that meant a lot and everything to me.
Thank you for letting me learn at my own pace. Thank you for letting me make mistakes. And you helped me build confidence in ways that you probably don't even realize. Thank you for being an approachable and authentic leader. You've made me feel that our leadership is human. You listened, you understand, and you always made me and the team feel seen and valued. Lahat ng sinasabi namin, pinapakinggan mo, right? And thank you for never making me feel that I am not and I wasn't fit for my role. Instead, you helped me and shaped me to become the best version of myself. You saw potential even during the days that I doubted myself, even the times when I said, hindi ko na kaya. And there are, honestly, more thank yous and things to be grateful for, but 1 minute is not enough to say all those things. Alam mo naman na yan, lagi natin napag-uusapan during our catch-up sessions. Know that I'm always gonna be one call away. Dito lang naman kami, andito lang naman ako. I'm always gonna be your Kalad Karen. What else? Talakera and ever gorgeous workmate you've ever had. I'll see you around and see you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.
Never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fight? That no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Leaves will soon grow from the barrenness of dreams, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds of the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. 'Cause all of this comes with a love that is real. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. I said all will be alright in time. All will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive.